Hello young learners, today we have a list of 10 exciting things starting with the letter H. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1. A horse. Who loves to gallop and munch on hay? It's a very friendly horse. Look at their lovely coat. Number 2. A hat. Hats come in lots of different colours and sizes, from caps to big silly hats to keep our heads cosy and stylish. Number 3. A heart. Our heart beats like a drum. It pumps blood all around our body. People also do a heart symbol for something that they really like. Number 4. A house. Home sweet home. A house is where we live, play and cuddle up for bedtime stories. It's a building made with lots of different rooms, like bedrooms, a bathroom, a sitting room and garden. Lots of different types of things. Number 5. Honey. Bees make honey in a honeycomb and we can eat that delicious treat. My favourite is honey with yogurt, just like that. Delicious. Number 6. A hug. Hugs are what we like to do and when we give them to other people, like our animals and people like our friends and family. Wrap your arms around for a warm, snuggly hug. Number 7. Happy. Happy is a feeling that you have when everything is great. You often smile, big cheesy smile. Number 8. A helicopter. Let's listen to this helicopter taking off. They can transport a small number of people around the city. You can have smaller helicopters like this one, or really large helicopters like this one. This type of helicopter can carry really heavy things like tanks, or this one has a big bag full of water. Number 9. A hippo. Hippos love to swim in the water and show off their big teeth. They can also run really fast, so be careful. Finally, number 10. A hobby. A hobby is something that you enjoy doing, like painting, dancing, or collecting shiny rocks. Thanks for watching. See you again.